11 years already. A few days ago, we realized the tube anniversary was at the end of the month. So we asked ourselves, where have we been? What did we learn? And where do we want to go from here? This year, we felt the community still alive and generous. We see people creating, teaching, and pushing the technique in their own way, and we love to see that. For us, this year was less about outdoor creation and more about consolidating what the last decade taught us. That work culminated with our first book, Outdoor Light Painting Photography, which came out a few months ago. We're proud of this baby and hope it helps others in their learning journey. At the same time, teaching workshops, especially to high school and college students, reminded us of something important. Starting should feel easier. We've been questioning ourselves about how we could contribute to making the process simpler, especially for people who don't own a DSLR or mirrorless camera. We've always said you can begin with very little, any flashlight, paper, and a phone, but it was still not simple enough for many, so we spent the last months building one more step in that direction, a mobile app to make light painting more accessible and easier to explore. It's called Virtual.ink Mobile. We'll talk more about that very soon. The year isn't over, and with this project almost ready, we're starting to feel the urge to go out and play again. We know the future is still full of creative nights under the stars. And as always, thank you for being part of the journey.
Okay.
Go. Paint. Ugh. Okay. Oh, you missed a T. You missed a T. Right there. Right there. Yes, that's perfect. Paint with light. Wow. Ah, that's beautiful.